Hello guys, good morning. We are again to our new content. They are using Tulsor power tiller here in Higagit, Philippines. Do you know guys, the inventor of this machine is Magdalena Smith Villaluz. He is an inventor of this kind of machine, a mud boat, a Tulsor power tiller inventor. Guys, just keep on watching. If you like this content, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.
Guys, like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Thank you.
Nice. Very nice video. This is our life here in the Philippines. The activity is land preparation, plowing using Tulsor power tiller. I will serve you and we will serve you this kind of content. Nice. Very good video. Sometimes only happens to my life, in our life here in the Philippines, using 3 Tulsor power tiller. Good video. Woo. Nice. Our life of being a farmer here. And this is Philippines. Using the old machine, mud boat, Tulsor power tiller. Very nice video guys. Good. Just keep on watching guys. This is our content we offer to you. Hard. The other one is hard. Push. Good. Nice. He is 50 years old, si Tatay, the father. The other one, number 2 and number 3. Good. Ganda. Nice. Woo. Very good video. Very nice video guys. Watch the video guys. Woo. Hope you enjoy guys for our content. This is AGTMG Marites TV serving you. Thank you guys. Very nice guys. Very nice video. Just keep on watching guys. Woo. It's summit. The camera is near hanging. Nice. 3 tractor. Very nice video guys. Woo. Good. Very nice video guys. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Good. Grabe yun. The other one is change the plan. Remember guys, the inventor of this kind of machine, Tulsor power tiller inventor is Magdalena Smith Villaluz. The search in Google guys. Very nice video guys. Woo! Very nice. Good, 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 good.